got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't see. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me so much deeper. Anxiety, filling up the space, no privacy. Inside of me, we can build a world that we fancy. Whoa, this ain't getting over, damn no closer, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me so much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, my mind fills up into.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Lockdown Performance. Today I'm at Qld Raceway and I'm just waiting for the Rx8s to start. They should be starting or lining up in about 10 minutes time over there, so hopefully it'll be a good day. Anyway guys, that's a wrap up of the video. Only a quick one. It's pretty early, it's like 4:30 in the morning. Don't know who won. That was race one. Don't care who won. They're all winners in my eyes. So those are Rx8s, just to let you guys know who don't know too much about Rx8s, because you listen to everyone else that talks rubbish about them. They're stock engines, stock gearboxes, everything's stock besides the brake pads, a few suspension changes like coilovers, airbox changes, the fans, they reprogram the fans so that they stay on it instead of coming on later. There's not much, they're pretty stock, and they take a thrashing, as you can see in the footage. So yeah, that was round one, race one. Today is Sunday. I'm not sure if I'm going to go out there today. See what happens. Yeah, so that's all the footage that I've got pretty much of the Formula Rx8. If you want to join my group, just go in the description. All the details are there on Facebook. Next episode will probably be something to do with an Rx8 again, or my Patrol, or something else that I own. So till then, take it easy, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next episode of Lockdown Performance.